வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ.
ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 சிவிக்ஸ் யூனிட் 7 த ஜுடிஷியரி லெசன் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் அண்ட் ஹையர் ஆர்டர் திங்கிங் கொஷின்ஸ். First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the highest and final judicial tribunal of India is option A President, option B Parliament, option C Supreme Court, option D Prime Minister. The correct answer is option C Supreme Court. Second one, judicial system provides a mechanism for resolving disputes between option A citizen, option B citizen and the government, option C two state governments, option D all the above. Here the correct answer is option D all the above. Third one, dispute between states of India comes to the Supreme Court under option A original jurisdiction, option B appellate jurisdiction, option C advisory jurisdiction, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option A original jurisdiction. Fourth one, which of the following state or union territories have a common high court? Option A Punjab and Jammu Kashmir, option B Assam and Bengal, option C Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh, option D Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Here the correct answer is option C Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. Fifth one, the system of public interest litigation has been introduced in India by option A Supreme Court, option B Parliament, option C political parties, option D constitutional amendments. Here the correct answer is option A Supreme Court. Sixth one, how many courts are there in apex level in India? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Here the correct answer is option A 1. Seventh one, Supreme Court is located at option A Chandigarh, option B Bombay, option C Calcutta, option D New Delhi. Here the correct answer is option D New Delhi. Eighth one, FIR means option A first information report, option B first information result, option C first incident report, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option A first information report. Ninth one, the court that hear criminal cases are called option A district court, option B sessions court, option C family court, option D revenue court. Here the correct answer is option B sessions court. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the dash High Court is the oldest High Court in India. The answer is Calcutta. Second one, the framers of the constitution established dash and dash judiciary in India. The answer is independent and impartial. Third one, dash a famous French philosopher propounded the idea of an independent judiciary. The answer is Montesquieu. Fourth one, dash deals with disputes over money, property and social matters. The answer is civil law. Fifth one, during ancient times, most of the king's courts dispensed justice according to dash. The answer is dharma. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Supreme Court, highest court of appeal. Second one, High Court, highest court in the states. Third one, Lok Adalat, speedy justice. Fourth one, Sir Elijah Impey, Chief Justice. Fifth one, Smritis, social duties. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, the Supreme Court of India was inaugurated on 28th January 1951. The answer is false. because it was inaugurated on 28 January 1950. Second one, during the Tughlaq period, the code of procedure was written in Arabic. The answer is true. Third one, the Regulating Act of 1773 made provision for the formation of Supreme Court. The answer is true. Fourth one, Sardar Diwani Adalat was a criminal court of appeal. The answer is false because Sardar Nizamat Adalat was a criminal court of appeal. Fifth one, the Allahabad High Court is the largest court in India. The answer is true. Sixth one, the Constitution of India secures justice to all its citizens. The answer is true. Fifth Roman letter, choose the correct statement. First one, consider the following statements. Statement 1, a law commission was set up by Macaulay. Statement 2, it codified the Indian laws. Which of the statements given above is or correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So here the correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. That is, statement 1 and 2 are correct. Second one, consider the following statements. Statement 1, an Indian penal code was prepared in 1860. Statement 2, the Calcutta High Court was established in 1862. Statement 3, the Government of India Act 1935 created Federal Court. Which of the statements given above is or correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, all the above. Here the correct answer is option D, all the above. That is, statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Third one, which of the following statement is not true about India's Supreme Court? Statement 1, the Supreme Court of India is the highest court of the land. Statement 2, it was established by Part 5 under Chapter 4 of Indian Constitution. Statement 3, Supreme Court cannot transfer cases from one High Court to another. Statement 4, its decisions are binding on all courts. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. So from these statements, we should find the statement which is not true. So the answer is option C, 3 only. Statement 3 is not true. Fourth one, assertion. The Supreme Court is a court of record. Reason, it maintains records of the court proceedings and its decisions are binding upon the lower courts. Option A is correct and R is wrong. Option B, both A and R are wrong. Option C, A is correct and R explains A. Option D, A is correct and R does not explain A. So here the correct answer is option C, A is correct and R explains A. Fifth one, agree or disagree. Statement A, every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court. Statement B, rich and powerful people control the judiciary system. Statement C, every citizen has a right to get justice through the courts. Statement D, politicians cannot control over judges. So here the correct answer is we agree with statement A, C and D and disagree with statement B. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1, why do we need judicial system? Question number 2, what are the different levels of courts in India? Question number 3, differentiate law and judiciary. Question number 4, write a note on Lok Adalat. Question number 5, what are the advantages of mobile courts? Seventh Roman letter, answer the following in detail. Question number 1, write about the role of judiciary. Question number 2, differentiate civil law and criminal law. Question number 3, describe jurisdiction of Supreme Court.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.